Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 8 chapter 12 fundamental concepts and operations exercise 12A question number 5. Write down the numerical as well as literal coefficients of the following monomials. Now you have these monomials and you have to write two things. First is numerical and second is literal coefficients, right? What are these? Basically coefficient means the factors of the monomial, the single things, right? The factors, the constituents, you can say the variables or the constants that make up the monomial. Okay, so when it is asked numerical coefficients, you have to write down whatever numerical part is there in the monomial with what? With the sign. So if it is plus, although plus you don't write, usually it is understood it is plus, so you don't write plus, but if it is minus you have to write the number and before it the minus sign. That's very important, otherwise you lose the marks, right? And for the literal coefficients you have to write the variable part, all the variables that are there. Okay, see here, I'll make two columns, right? My first one will be numerical and second one will be literal, right? Two things. Now first part, 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, in this numerical part will be 2 pi and r will be a literal coefficient. Why now? See, 2 is a number that you know, right? Pi is also a number only, right? It has a value, right? That we know, that is 22 by 7, right? Or 3.14, anyway value you can take, so on so on. So it's a constant, it's taken as a constant only right now, it's not a variable, right? Because it has a value, so that's why it will go in the numerical part. Okay, then the second part, and here r, you already saw r is variable, right? It can take any value. Now 6x square y square, very clear. Write down the number in the numerical coefficient part and all the variable in the literal coefficient part. Make sure you write down the exponents also, x square y square, don't miss that, right? Then you have in the third part minus 5ab square. Here number numerical 5, but one thing, as I said, you have to put the sign also, so you will put entire minus 5 here, and whatever is left, that will be your literal part, so that will be ab square. Then see part 4, 4 by 3 abc. So here 4 by 3, it's a fraction, this is different, abc is different, right? 4 by 3 is a numerical part, abc is the variable or the literal part. So 4 by 3 here, clear, and abc over here, a, b and c, that becomes your literal. Fine. So this is your answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like in this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.